Hello, so here is new viral trending app called AI Art, AI Image Generator. There are a bunch of apps in this category like Wonder AI app, Dream by Wombo, and bunch of those. Uh, but the thing why this app right now is in the top charts is just because it has this new feature where you can create avatars from photos. So yeah, use your selfies to turn into character from a variety of eras and styles, performance improvements. So yeah, that's just an update. But yeah, okay, I'll just show you. I was just trying out. So yeah, the idea is that you just upload like 20 selfies of your own, and then you will be able to generate avatars. So just tap avatars in the top right, and then you just need to select photos, 10 to 20 photos, same person in all photos, no other people, selfies and portraits only, different backgrounds, different facial expressions, different head angles. Nothing is covered, like no birth shirts, no nudity, and all of that. So then you just upload your photos. And then, yeah, you just select these photos. For example. And the idea is that the more photos you upload, the higher quality will be of this model, which then generates AI models. And then you need to buy it for $9.99. You will get 112 photos, which is pretty a lot. But yeah, so, and you can expect results, something like this. So it's not only like, more photo-like photos, these are also like different styles. I didn't purchase in this app, but I use also another app, Lens, I guess how it's called, yeah, Lensa AI. There you also can do that, but you just get less photos. So for example, here I have magic avatars. It's basically the thing is it's just the same AI algorithm called Stable Diffusion. So I just uploaded the same photos you just seen, and here you can see what is happening. So there you have it. So I just wasn't smiling a lot on this photo, so all of them are quite serious. That's just how algorithm works. So that's how you just, you need to include a lot of emotions, a lot of different facial expressions. So yeah, hope that can be helpful. You can of course also try this app. And in this app also you can just generate some images just based on your prompts, which was another feature of this app. Yeah, there were a bunch of apps like that where you could generate AI images like a while ago, like a year ago or something. And then, yeah, then they went viral, but now there is a new hype with these AI avatars. And I was actually pretty surprised in the images I showed you. Like, I didn't upload any similar images. I mean, like, of course, I uploaded my selfies, but they had like different facial expressions, different backgrounds, different everything. And that the thing is that AI can completely generate new photo, which is kind of completely different. It's just like super powerful, actually. I'm not sure if, of course, you can use these photos yet in Passport or something like that. Okay, so you can see that there is some issue here. And then, okay, there are like so many ads. So I'll probably just push you to upgrade in this app. But yeah, like this is not the main feature right now. The main feature is these selfies. And there are a bunch of apps in the top right now, Lens AI and this AI Art, which you can help you with this. So here you can also upgrade. You can upgrade 3-day free trials, then $4.99 per week, lifetime access. Pretty nice deal, $29.99 build once. I don't know if that influences AI avatars. I'm not sure. I think you still need to pay here because these AI avatars, they're just using so much computation power, and that's why like it still will be quite expensive to get those. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Hope you like it, and thank you for watching.